Here is how you can use multiple tabs in Android. Well, let me explain the whole thing. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So I'm going to quickly at first show you how it works. So if I open up my multitasking panel, I have the ability to click on the icon of the app and either open it in a split screen view or open it in a pop-up view. So as you can see right here, I can start using an app on this screen like that. So it's like a floating type of app, and I can open up another application as well and perform the same stuff, right? So I can as well just go to that same mode like this and open it in pop-up view, and I have like two apps used at the very same time. So it's actually very useful for multitasking and stuff, but this is not like a natural feature of the device. It is basically a developer option. So you can go to your settings, enable the developer mode when you go to the about this phone and go to the software information. When you tap the build number 7 times, that's how you enable the developer mode. And then you can see part of the developer options. What we can find is the multitasking windows, right? So you can see that you can even look that up because it's much easier to find it really. But the options that we need to enable, which are part of the developer options, include the enable free-form windows, as well as forced activities to be resizable. And when you have these two toggles turned on, which again are part of the developer options, then you will have the ability to use multiple tabs at the same time, like multiple different apps right away. It might be a browser, it might be anything else, but that's how you can basically make it work. I hope I was able to quickly explain that. I know it's been a very quick guide, but I just don't like to stretch out something which can be done in a very quick manner. So if you like this approach, subscribe for more, and I'm gonna see you in the next uploads as well.